Hey, I just wanted to take a quick minute and show you how easy it is to use Canva. So I'm going to share my screen with you here real quick. This morning I went into my website and I saw this super cute little wallpaper that Scentsy has behind the Scentsy's end of season sale. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's adorable. I want to grab that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my snip feature on my MacBook Pro, which is Command Shift 5. And I don't know what it is on your computer, but on mine, Command Shift 5 is the snip feature. You need to figure out how to snip a graphic on your computer. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I do mine. It's Command Shift 5, and then you can see it gives me these little windows, and I just kind of pull it over, grab it, just put it right around what I want it to save, and then I hit enter. And what that does is that pulls it into my desktop and I can go grab it in a minute when I get into Canva. So I'm going to show you now what that looks like when I get into Canva. When I'm in Canva, all I have to do is go up here where it says create a design. I'm going to click on that. Now I'm going to go right here where it says upload and click on that. And then I'm going to go to upload files, click on that. And now I'm going to go to my desktop and I have a million things here, don't I? I'm going to find where I saved it and just click on it and then hit open. And that's going to bring it into Canva. It's going to say, do you want to use it in a new design or edit the image? I'm going to click on use new design. And then I'm going to click on custom. Well, I'm going to click on Facebook post because I want it to be the size of a Facebook post and it will automatically resize it for me. Click there. And now you can see that I brought it into a Canva document. So you can also see that it's not quite the size of a Facebook graphic. So up here's white, down here's white. So what I'm going to do is, actually, I'm going to get out of here real quick because Canva is not showing me my menu at the top. And I don't know why. Sometimes it doesn't do that. Oh, there it is. Okay. So this white space right here, if I go right here to where it says background cover, see that little colored ball, the rainbow ball, I'm going to click on background color, and then I'm going to come over here and choose one. So it will, here where it says photo cover colors, it grabs the colors from the photo that match. So I'm just going to choose this little teal green, and ta-da, it puts it back behind there. Super easy, right? Okay, now the other thing I want to show you, you could use it like this if you wanted to, and this is nice and generic. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to duplicate this page, and then I'm going to do one that has my website on it. Okay, so that's what I did earlier today, and I shared with you guys, but I just want to show you how I do that here. So this you could use, and it would be fine, but we are going to click on duplicate page, and now I'm going to where it says shop now, I'm going to add my website there. So I'm going to go over here to the left where it says elements and click on elements. And then I'm going to click on square, the square one here. If you don't see the square one up here where it says search elements, you could type in square and find one, but I already have one here. So I'm just going to click on it. Here, and it brings it over into my document. So now you can see the squares here. It turned it orange. Um, you can leave it orange if you want, or we can change it to another color right up here in the where the little ball was before. Now this little ball is orange. If we click on that, we can change it to whatever color we want. I'll change it just for the sake of changing it, but we'll make it the mint green. Now we want this to come down over the shop now. So I'm just going to click out of it and then click back in and bring it down with my mouse. I'm just clicking on the left side of my mouse to grab these little arrows and make it the size that I want. I'm going to bring it down here. I'm going to bring it in a little over here and bring it down a little at the bottom. Okay, now it has covered up the shop now, but now we want to add your website here or my website. So now I'm going to go over here to where on the very left where it says text, click there, and then click where it says add text box. And you'll see right here, it added a text box. So it's not where I want it. So I'm just going to pull it up here. And then I'm just going to highlight it and type over it. And I'm just going to add my website on Creighton.com. Okay, now if you want, you can change this font. If you wanted to do that, you could just highlight it, go up here where it says Canva Sans. That's the font that it's currently. You can click on that and then go over here to the left and see all these different fonts. You can tell it you want a handwriting font or a corporate font or a display font, or you can grab one of them from below. Sometimes they do recommended fonts here, and I'll just grab one of those just for the sake of showing you. And then if you want to change the color of the font, you come up here to the top. You see this little A with the little rainbow color? If I click on that, it said text color. Then I go over here to the left and I'm going to make it white just because it'll pop. And then I'm going to go back up here to the top and I'm going to make it bold just to make it a little brighter. Okay. All right. So now we have our document that is just generic. And now we have our document that has our website on there. So now what do you do? How do you get it out of Canva? And what you do is you can click here where it says share up in the upper right. And then when I share a Canva link with you, a Canva template link, I don't see that right here. So I'm going to go to where it says see all with the 3 little dots. Click on that. And then I'm going to find this one here that says template link. And when you share a template link, that means you're sharing it with somebody. They can make changes to it, but it's not going to change your original document. Okay, that's the way you want to do it. You don't want to share it with them where they can go in and fool around with your document, right? You want your document to stay the way you want it. So share a template link, and then you're going to say create template link, and then you are going to hit copy. And now that is copied into my desktop. And then I'm going to show you how to pull that back in just a second here. But the other thing that you can do, if you're not going to share it with somebody and you just want to use it, then you can click on share and click on download right here where it says download. And when I click on download, one thing that's kind of cool here, you can download specific pages. So where it says select pages, you could just do page 1 or you can do page 1 and 2, depending on which one you want to use. So I am going to just do page 2. And I'm going to click on done. And then I'm going to click on download. And you'll see it kind of do its little thing. So it just went up into my computer and it threw it in my download file. Okay, I'm gonna pop back over into, I'm gonna pop into Facebook and show you what to do with it now. Remember that template link was in my clipboard. So if we go here, I'm just gonna copy it into a post. So I just right clicked and hit paste, and now I'm gonna post it here. And now, so this is what it would look like if you were in the Blessed Beyond Belief group and you saw that I shared a template with you. You would go here and you would just click on it. This is the Canva template. And this is what it looks like when you click on it and it says edit template. So it's just telling you that it's in there, it's ready for you. And when you click on edit template, now it's in here. It has both of them. And the super simple thing is, guys, like when I share these with you, all you have to go in here is go in here and change it to your website. So now it's SueSmith.com. You go over here and click download and you have it. That's how easy it is. So easy. So I just showed you how to use Canva. Um, get in here and play with it. Get in here and figure out how to do it because that's how I learned. I didn't have anybody show me. I just kind of played with it a little bit. So if you have any questions about how to use it, let me know, but play with it a little bit and do what I just did with something simple. Anything that you see that you can grab and snip, you can pull into there. Any graphic that you see that somebody else shared, you can pull into there and make it your own. So, and also there is a Facebook group called Canva Boss Babes. You'll want to be a part of that because in that group, everybody shares their Canva templates for their Scentsy documents. So it's very helpful. Make this the year that you figure out how to use Canva and have fun with it. It's a fun program to use. So I just wanted to show you how absolutely simple it is. And that's it.